Hello and welcome if you're new to the channel, or welcome back if you've seen my videos before. This is part 2 of the Thames video, so if you haven't seen part 1, go and check it out. This is just ground reenactment and display stuff, as well as a different angle of the mock battle we did there. If there's any other footage you also want to see, I'm sure you'll see it on Bob Semple's channel. He's another reenactor, he makes videos, and the link to his channel is in the description below. That's a picture of him there, setting up his display. Yeah, we also set up our display, just a camo net, puck tent, and 30 cal machine gun, which a lot of us enjoyed messing around with. But anyway, I won't keep you much longer, just enjoy the video.
Submachine gun. The British and New Zealanders bought these off Americans. They're pretty expensive for us, so we ended up designing and making these called a Sten gun. This is a Sten Mark II. So we designed and made those. Those are very cheap, and this is the standard rifle that you used. It's a number 1 Mark III. They were used from the First World War all the way to the Second by New Zealand troops. By the Second World War, the British had already started changing out for the next version along, which was called the number 4. There's also this here, which is a grenade pump. So you go and you fire your Mills bomb, and you would load one of these, which is a supercharged blank, and you turn your rifle upside down to face it away from you, because using the supercharged blank, it could explode the entire rifle in your face.
Maybe when all fine, we'll just run along without a care. We're gonna hang out the washing on the sea green line, if the sea green line's still there.
I can see the harbour's lighting up now.
Where's that guy announcing a thing, calling us American infantry? So, as I said earlier, here is a different angle from the mock battle reenactment that we did. Same battle, just a different angle from the other side, and you'll be able to see different sides as well, the British and Germans.
We were like walking over where they were. I was like, do you notice how real creepy, weird ass looking critters doing all of this and stuff like that. And I've been real weird looking, like pedophile weird. Oh, yeah.
That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more content like this, because we'll have plenty more reenactments coming up in the future.